Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best grill conversion kit is probably one of the most versatile accessories a grill owner can have, allowing you to switch between natural gas and propane tanks with ease, ensuring your grilling sessions are never cut short due to fuel type limitations, and opening up a world of possibilities for outdoor cooking, whether you're at home with a natural gas line or out camping with a propane tank. Number 5. Blackstone 5249 Propane to Natural Gas Conversion Kit. Easily convert your Blackstone 28 or 36 griddle to use natural gas. This kit provides a reliable and uninterrupted fuel source for all your cooking needs. Everything you need is included: a 10-foot natural gas hose, quick connect fitting, orifices, thread check gauges, and an orifice wrench. Setup is straightforward with detailed instructions. Crafted with durable brass components and made right here in the USA, this conversion kit is built to last. Enjoy consistent performance for your outdoor cooking. This kit is optimized for Blackstone 28 and 36-inch griddles. Please note it is not designed for smaller models or other Blackstone appliances like pizza ovens. Connect directly to your natural gas line for a steady and dependable cooking experience. Say goodbye to propane tank worries and enjoy extended grilling sessions. What we like. This kit offers a reliable and consistent fuel supply for your Blackstone griddle. If you're looking for a straightforward conversion with quality components, this is a great choice. It's ideal for those who want to connect directly to a natural gas line for uninterrupted cooking. What people say. The kit was a perfect fit and easy to install. It converted my natural gas grill to propane seamlessly, and it works great. The build quality of the components is solid and feels durable. Number 4. WADEO Natural Gas Orifice Nozzle Conversion Kit. Easily convert your propane grill to natural gas with this complete conversion kit. It provides all the necessary fittings and tools for a smooth transition. This kit is designed to be compatible with Blackstone 28-inch and 36-inch griddles, as well as other compatible grill models. Please double-check your specific model for fitment. Installation is straightforward, even for first-time users. With the included manual and fittings, you can have your grill converted in about 25 to 45 minutes. Crafted from 100% solid brass, these orifices are built to last. They offer corrosion and scratch resistance, ensuring a secure and leak-free connection. This comprehensive set is convenient to carry, making it perfect for outdoor adventures like camping and hiking. It's a reliable helper for your portable cooking needs. The package includes 16 natural gas orifices in various sizes, thread check gauges, an orifice tool, and an English installation manual to guide you through the process. What we like. This kit provides a comprehensive set of parts for a DIY conversion, ensuring you have everything needed. If you enjoy doing projects yourself and want a durable, long-lasting solution, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who need a complete package for their Blackstone 28 or 36 griddle. What people say. The kit was easy to install and worked perfectly. It converted my natural gas grill to propane quickly and efficiently. The build quality of the conversion kit is excellent, and it feels very durable. Number 3. MENSI 4 and 10 Natural Gas Conversion Kit for KitchenAid Grills. Easily transform your KitchenAid liquid propane grill into a natural gas powerhouse. This kit includes a new regulator and is designed to work with your existing natural gas hose. This is a direct replacement for KitchenAid part number 7100003. It's designed to be a perfect fit, ensuring a smooth and straightforward installation process. It's compatible with a wide range of KitchenAid grill models, including 720-0709, 720-0733, 720-0745, and many more. Check the list to ensure it's the right fit for your grill. This kit allows your dual gas grill to run on natural gas. Please note that you will need to have an existing natural gas hose to use with this regulator kit. The regulator is adjustable for both LP propane and natural gas. Detailed instructions are provided to help you set it up correctly for your desired gas type. Featuring a 1-2 psi gas regulator, this kit is compatible with both natural gas and liquefied gas valves. It includes a 1-2 male flare fitting and connects seamlessly with your hose. What we like. This conversion kit is specifically designed for certain KitchenAid grill models, offering a tailored fit. If you own a compatible KitchenAid grill and want to switch to natural gas, this is your direct solution. It's the best option for those who need a precise replacement part for their specific grill. What people say. This kit is a lifesaver for converting my natural gas grill to propane, allowing me to use it on my deck where natural gas lines aren't available. The installation was straightforward, and the kit included all the necessary parts for a successful conversion. My grill now functions perfectly with propane. I was impressed with the quality of the components in this conversion kit. They felt durable and well-made, ensuring a secure and reliable connection for propane. Number 2. GASPRO Natural Gas Conversion Kit for Blackstone Griddles. Tired of running out of propane mid-cook? This kit allows your LPG appliances to easily switch to natural gas, ensuring uninterrupted outdoor cooking. Designed specifically for your Blackstone 28-foot and 36 griddles, tailgater, and range top combo. It's also ideal for DIY burner replacements. Everything you need is in the box: 2 thread check gauges, 16 natural gas orifices, and a handy 7mm orifice wrench for a smooth installation. Crafted from sturdy solid brass, it ensures a secure and tight connection between your appliance and the natural gas supply for reliable performance. These jet nozzles feature duplicate threads and BTU output, making them a perfect, hassle-free replacement for your original parts. What we like. This conversion kit offers a seamless transition for your Blackstone griddle, ensuring compatibility with original parts. If you're concerned about running out of propane mid-cook and want a reliable natural gas setup, this kit is for you. It's ideal for Blackstone 28 and 36 griddle owners seeking an easy upgrade. What people say. This kit is a great value for the price. It was easy to install and works perfectly. I love how it makes my grill more versatile. Number 1. Bull Grill Conversion Kit, Propane to Natural Gas. Easily convert your Bull Grill from propane to natural gas with this essential kit. It's designed for a seamless transition, allowing you to enjoy natural gas convenience. This conversion kit is specifically designed to fit the Angus, Lone Star Select, and Outlaw models of Bull gas grills. Ensure compatibility for a perfect fit. Included are all the necessary components for the conversion. You'll receive natural gas valves and a converted natural gas regulator to complete the process. Make the switch from propane to natural gas with confidence. This kit provides everything you need for a reliable and efficient conversion. Transform your grilling setup by switching to natural gas. Enjoy the consistent fuel supply and convenience it offers for all your outdoor cooking needs. What we like. This conversion kit is exclusively made for specific Bull grill models, guaranteeing a perfect fit and function. If you own a Bull Angus, Lone Star Select, or Outlaw grill, this is the only kit you need. It's the perfect choice for Bull grill owners looking to convert their existing propane unit to natural gas. What people say. The kit was easy to install and worked perfectly. It converted my natural gas grill to propane quickly and efficiently. The build quality of the conversion kit is excellent, and it feels very durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.